He got a YouTube channel too, so.
Okay.
Okay, me.
That's what we all do this for, the addiction.
Oh, that's cool.
There's something in here, guys.
Coins.
Look, guys, hold on.
Come on.
There's a thing about this job right here. It takes you to places like this where all of us are teaming up and we're just gambling because you have to know what's inside there. The sickness of this job. All right. Does anybody got any guesses on what's in here?
I don't know. No idea.
Look at everybody with their GoPros. He needs a GoPro.
Some military stuff.
No?
Algo militar. Yo pensé que es algo militar. Storage auction pirate.
Either guns or some type of military.
Dice que ojalá unas de esas o algo militar.
Like maybe like a telescope or something that's just like that.
Algo así. Yeah.
You're not gonna bang one with the hammer?
Why?
Ooh, smooth. Guys, it's almost showtime. Oh, no, all right, no. They want to do it the easy way. Can you at least hold the hammer up one time for the thumbnail, Uncle Mike? No?
Right.
Who's got the good luck?
Aquí estamos con Pirata, el niño, the boy.
I'm nervous for a second. I got like a little camera shy.
Solamente quería decir algo. Do you want to say something to them in English? Just fine. Yo se lo traduzco.
One thing I'm excited I got to meet this guy. I see you in my chat. I see you come on and say hello in the auctions and stuff like that. So I'm glad I got to meet you. What do you think's in there?
Could be anything. I think it's gonna be some tools.
What do you think's in there?
I think tools.
Tools?
I'm not sure. I haven't paid yet, so if it's not good, I don't mind.
Jack?
I hope guns.
All right. Mystery man? All right. Who's doing this?
The little man right there. Is he a YouTuber too?
Hey sir, can you hold this since you're just standing there? Thank you.
He got a YouTube channel too, so.
Okay.
Okay, mi hijo va a abrirla.
Oh, okay.
Ahí están todas las cosas.
Okay.
Let's go. You guys.
Looks like the other box.
It does, but it's what's underneath. It's down here. It's down here. A piece of rubber.
Ahí está eso es lo que encontramos. Miren.
It's weird. It makes me a little less optimistic about not buying the other vault.
What does that have? Want to check?
Who wants to open it?
Go ahead.
I'll do it.
You guys do it.
Cool. No tengo guantes, gente, pero lo vamos a hacer así sin guantes, así que vamos a ver que esta es la primera bolsa. Vamos a ver qué es lo que tiene.
Ooh, military camping kit.
Stuff. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
That's a knife right here.
That's cool.
Want to take a look at it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
It's got that Bakelite handle.
Silver stuff or what? That's sterling? No. No, Stanley. My glasses.
It's a decent little knife, though. 25.
Pues unas estacas o military stuff.
For like a tent, right?
Oh.
That's another one right here.
There's $100. It's a
What's
buck.
that? Can I open it?
Go ahead.
Let's go. Boom.
Ooh.
Wow.
Turn it over? No name? Handmade?
No name on it.
Tomato.
It feels cool, man. Mira bien la cosa, gente. Vamos a ver qué más hay, gente. Should I dump? Somebody eating this.
Yes, that's World War II. See, 1944.
Wow.
That's cool.
Es del 44.
Should have a matching canteen somewhere.
1944, huh? Está viejito.
Is that an MRE right there?
Wow.
It looks like a, huh?
Yeah.
Eat it. Locker food challenge. Come on, guys.
I really ate some barritas. Acabo de comer
Dressing.
barritas,
No,
gente,
it's just
so-
for the,
Ahorita ya comimos.
Sí, se puede comer ahorita.
for your arm if you get, yeah.
Va a comer.
Aquí está un opener también.
There's guns.
Ooh, found good.
One right there.
Two cool items.
Esta es la primera.
Aquí salió la pistola, ¿cómo que no? Ahí está.
All right, put it back in. Put it back in.
Okay, let me put it in.
Keep going, yeah.
Taking too long, huh?
Hey, how long do we have? 5 o'clock?
You got the rest of your
food.
life.
More food.
How long could we be here for? 5 o'clock?
¿Qué habla aquí abajo?
Yeah.
4?
You gonna hold it? You gonna hold it? You look? Go ahead.
Bueno, aquí nos va a grabar el pirata. Vamos a ver, vamos a sacar esta caja.
Flashlight.
Con ganas, con ganas.
Military flashlight.
Son de militar, ahí está. ¿Cuánto crees? How much do you think?
$5-10 a piece, maybe.
5 o 6 dólares por las cajas. No hay mucho ahí.
Come on, where's it at? Radio.
Aquí,
no.
Radio. Ya, radio. Aquí salió el radio y pequeñas cosillas. Pero no vamos tan bien, que digamos.
Vamos a quitar esto de aquí para que no estorbe.
Cables.
Puros cables.
No se mira muy que digamos, pero
Ahí está. Pero todavía son
Fishing pole.
una caña de pescar viejita, gente. Es una caña de pescar viejita, pues está bien también. La van a estar muy rápido.
Aquí van a estar las pistolas. Vamos a ver. Guantes.
Vamos a mover esto más.
Guantes. Y más cables. No está muy bien,
That could be like $25-30 right there.
Como unos
Vamos a
$20
buscar esta gente, la pesadita. Son dos pesadas. You wanna open this one for it? Take a look on it.
Go ahead.
Vamos a ver aquí.
Go ahead, Mark. Mystery man. Ooh. No. Where's it at, guys? Nails. Yeah.
Puros tornillos y clavos.
Yeah, come on.
Vamos a ver qué hay en esto.
Ahí para jugar el póker.
Let's open this one. And
Lenses. Filters. Nope, reels. Those could have some.
órale.
Dinero.
Ahí está la feria. Ahí salió el billete.
No, see how it says Commonwealth? I think that makes it fake, but I don't know.
Next. Good.
For you. Think that's real?
That's
I don't see why not, but let me double check with my dad.
Okay. Esto de aquí. El papelero.
Come on. Look how patient and calm Jack is. So methodical.
Slow, that's your polite way of saying slow.
Put them on.
There's another one. It's not $800 cool, huh?
We're not down to the bottom of this. Don't get. Come on. Let's go. $1,000 sitting at the bottom of this box somewhere.
Okay.
That's cool. It's kind of thrash, but that's right.
Están tratando de agarrar algo, gente, pero no han sacado algo machine. So salió algo más de 800 esta caja, pero esperemos lo mejor. Hay que esperar hasta la última caja. Siempre lo dice Manuel, aquí está. ¿Sí o no? Hay que esperar la última caja, ¿verdad? Siempre.
Come on.
Come on,
Where's it
Pirate.
at?
Come on, Pirate. Come on, Jack. Ahí viene. It's coming. Este es un warranty something.
Did we get screwed? I'm not seeing nothing exciting in here, guys.
Okay, Major. Not exciting.
Well, that's what we all do this for, the addiction.
Oh, that's cool.
There's something in here, guys.
Coins.
You can give me that, and then I'll hold it how Taylor.
Esa bolsita, esa puede cargar.
Yeah.
Look, guys, hold on.
Come on.
Oh, not silver though.
Son monedas.
No, just 50-cent pieces. But I mean,
There's a gold looking one.
where?
I'll get it.
I did get it right. It was cash.
It's a little better.
Yeah. Come on, Jack. It's a magic Midas touch on there. Come on. Where the gold ones? We need 6 gold coins.
They're coming. We gotta get past it somehow, right?
You have a video.
Spoon, we're gonna make some food right now. We're gonna eat it.
That's good. Got another one.
Nothing.
Nada.
You good? Kinda?
Well, guys, that's why we're gamblers.
Good thing we went 6 ways, right?
Yeah.
He thinks it's real. Yeah, the thing that probably gives it away is the crevices.
Okay.
But you should just take it in just to make sure, but he thinks it's real.
Okay.
That came out of this box?
Yeah, it came out of that box.
What do you think it's worth?
Yeah, I don't know yet. I'll look it up in a second, give us an idea. We got 1 box left or what? No one's excited right now.
One more, come on.
Oh,
Let's get happy.
Let's pull it out.
go ahead.
Hey, let's go. I'll help. Alright, guys.
Of course.
Yeah, that's cool, huh?
It's the dishes.
Handmade, huh?
Yeah.
Comida in here.
Yeah.
Trolling line. Get a lot of trolls, so this will be good. 18-pound test. Yeah.
I got mine in my packet.
So, bot trunk found money. Oh yeah, we can go fishing, guys. We each get 1 slider set apiece.
There you go.
Oh, the morale is low right now, guys. The morale is low. We need to pick up the energy a little bit.
There's 6 of us, right?
Unos $300. Yo creo más o menos.
How do you guys feel about this?
We don't find anything good.
It's worth a shot.
But I make the video.
Oh, yeah. I always say you will not hit a home run if you don't swing the bat. We struck out this time. Simple.
Yeah, that's the good stuff right there.
Yeah, this is the good pile. $8 and change, a knife, a fake note, 2 knives.
We'll see, huh?
Sweet. Sweet. Oh, well, that was fun, guys. That was a good collab.
That's cool.
Does anybody want to shout out their YouTube channel or anything? Jack don't want to shout his channel out.
Huh? Oh, you want me to shout out?
Oh, yeah, you can.
Locker Nuts?
Locker Nuts.
See on the...
Alright.
It's my channel.
Alright.
Little channel.
Storage de la Bahía, Bay Area Storage.
Didn't I buy Pokemon off you not too long ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright.
Interesting.
Here's
Bogart
recording.
rescatando storage is sass. And in the hot.
And you guys know this guy, comprando depósitos abandonados.
Despacitos.
Despacitos. I don't ever say it right.
Depósitos.
Yeah, I don't ever say it right.
That's cool.
And he's too shy to talk on camera because he's nervous over there.
Thinking about.
Oh, I was you want to shout out your channel?
Mario. Comprando depósitos abandonados.
Abandonados. See, he does.
Thank you. Or like Mike says, Despacito.
Despacitos.
Yeah, like the song, huh?
Yeah.
Despacito.
And that's a wrap this video, guys. The trunk wasn't full of treasures like we was hoping, but nothing ventured, nothing gained. I always say if you don't hit a home run, you can't swing the bat. I mean, if you don't swing the bat, you can't hit a home run, and it's very much true. Every single storage unit, every box is a complete mystery. I don't care how pretty it looks. It's never a guarantee. And on this one, we swung, we struck out, but we all tried. Don't forget to check out all my friends' channels, the links in the description, and say something pretty like, I love collabs.